but is a detour sign here. And the first line so denotes that the first blank should be filled with something opposite of being accepted. And so aid or endorse both are unfit for blank 1. So the correct answer for blank 1 is choice B. The passage reflects the sense of authority in a way that they want him to keep away, and as he cannot afford the budget, so the budget is to be out of his capability or out of keeping proportion with an so choice D with incommensurable fits for blank 2 given as choice D, while outlandish or sundry given as choices E and F are unfit and irrelevant in the ambience of the passage, as they denote uncommon or miscellaneous as their meaning. So the correct choice E and choice F are to be eliminated as well, and the correct answer for blank 2 is choice D. So the correct answers are choice B and choice D.